Hi, my name is Felipe, but you can call me Filipito. I'm 32 years old. I'm from Brazil, but I live in LA. So that's me in a nutshell. I work out, I do yoga, I meditate, I eat clean. I try to do the right thing because I believe that's the only way to be happy, when we are kind to ourselves and to others. I like to dance. This makes me happy. They say that hips don't lie, and that's true, because we carry lots of emotions and unresolved feelings on our hips. And when we move, we allow ourselves to forgive, forget, and to be happy. And I think at the end of the day, we just want to be happy and be loved. I'll tell you something. I'm not a professional dancer, but boy, I have some good Brazilian moves. If you don't like the way I move, I'll promise you something. I'm gonna cook some good and healthy enchilada that is organic, non-GMO, cruelty-free. Now, let's dance. You ready? 1, 2, 3.